Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today, in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about agricultural marketing. Okay? Today's topic in agricultural science is on agricultural marketing. Are you ready for the lesson? Agricultural marketing means selling and moving farm products like crops and animals from farmers to people who want to buy them. It involves things like pricing, packaging, transportation to make sure the food gets to the right place and is of good quality. Okay? Do we understand? Agricultural marketing is the process of selling and distributing agricultural products, such as livestock, crops, from the producers to the consumers. Do we understand that? So we're going to be looking at the importance of agricultural marketing. Why is agricultural marketing important? Economic growth. Agricultural marketing contributes significantly to the overall economic growth of a country by generating income for farmers and promoting trade. Economic growth. It helps farmers make money, which boosts the economy. Okay? Food security. Efficient marketing ensures a consistent supply of agricultural products, which is essential for food security. Ensures a steady supply of food for people. Price stability. It helps stabilize prices by managing the flow of products throughout the year, reducing price fluctuations. Price stability helps control food prices so they don't swing wildly. Employment. The marketing sector creates employment opportunities in various stages of the supply chain, including transportation, storage, and retail. Creates jobs in transportation, storage, and selling food. Employment, it creates job opportunities. Technology adoption. Marketing encourages the adoption of modern agricultural practices and technology to improve product quality and quantity. Encourages farmers to use modern methods and tools. So agricultural marketing is important because it supports the economy, keeps food available, controls prices, creates jobs, and promotes technology in farming. Okay? Do we understand? Channels of marketing farm products. These are the different ways that farm products like crops and livestock are sold and distributed to customers. Okay? There are four main channels. Direct sales. Farmers sell stuff directly to people at places like farm stands or farmers markets. Farmers sell their products directly to people at places like farm stands or farmers markets. Okay? They sell their products directly to the consumers through the farm stands or farmers markets. Wholesale markets. Farmers sell their stuff to big buyers who then sell it to stores or factories. So farmers sell their products in bulk to big buyers who then sell them to stores or factories. Retail markets. This is where we buy things from stores and supermarkets. Exports. Some products are sold to other countries. These channels help get farm products from the farm to the people who want to buy them. And they each have their own way of doing it, okay? The direct sales. Farmers sell their products directly to consumers through the methods like farm stands or farmers markets. Then the wholesale markets. Products are sold to wholesalers who then distribute them to retailers or factories. Retail markets. Consumers buy products from retailers such as stores, supermarkets, online platforms. Exports. Agricultural products are sold internationally to the foreign markets. Okay? Do we understand? Good. So next, we're going to be looking at stages of agricultural marketing. Stages of agricultural marketing. First, production. This is when farmers grow crops or raise animals. Okay? The initial stage where farmers cultivate and harvest their crops or raise livestock. Production. This is the first stage. Grading and packaging. Products are sorted and put into packages for sale. Okay, grading and packaging. Products are sorted, graded, and packaged to meet market standards and consumers' preferences. Then it is ready for sale. Transportation. Products are moved from farms to where they are sold. Products are transported from farms to various marketing channels, often involving trucks, planes, ships. Okay? Then storage. Things are kept in warehouses to stay fresh. Warehouses and storage facilities are used to store agricultural products, preserving their quality and managing supply. Promotion and advertising. Farmers let people know about their products. Marketing efforts are made to promote products and create awareness among consumers. These stages show how farm products go from being grown to being available for purchase, with steps to maintain quality and get them to the right places. So the stages of agricultural marketing: first, production, then grading and packaging, transportation, storage, promotion, and advertising. Okay? Do we understand? Good. So next we're going to be looking at marketing functions. Marketing functions refer to the different tasks and activities involved in the process of getting products from the producer to the consumer. It's all about what needs to be done to sell and distribute products effectively. Okay? These functions include buying. People get products from farmers. Acquiring agricultural products from farmers or other sources. Then selling products to stores or people. Financing, giving money to farmers for their work. risk management, handling problems like bad weather or changing prices, market information, sharing info about prices and trends, transportation and storage, moving and storing products, grading and standardization, making sure products are good quality. Okay, so each of those functions play a role to make sure products are available, affordable, and of good quality for farmers. Okay, so today's lesson on agricultural marketing. We understood it, right? We said agricultural marketing is all about selling farm products and ensuring they reach consumers efficiently. And it's important because it supports the economy, maintain a steady food supply, controlling prices, creating jobs, and encouraging modern farming practices. Then the channels of marketing involve how products are sold, right? The direct sales, wholesale markets, retail markets, and exports, the four main channels. Then we looked at the stages of agricultural marketing. We said production, grading and packaging, transportation, storage, and promotion. Lastly, we looked at marketing functions, which encompass activities like buying, selling, financing, risk management, transportation and storage, and grading and standardization. So all these are essential for successful marketing and distribution of agricultural products, right? So we understood today's lesson on agricultural marketing. Did we? Good. So next we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we're going to be able to do our assignment, right? It's all about what we learned in today's lesson. So it's easy, right? Good.